Hey you guys, it's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and I got some green carpets that I cleaned up. But at the same time, I'm also marketing towards green carpet cleaning. So this right here is kind of a double whammy for green carpet cleaning, because not only is it going to be earth safe cleaning that we're doing, we also literally have green carpets on the floor. So, and Google recognizes those things, and so we are taking advantage of two coming at this at two completely different angles. And for example, you can go to Google Images and you can search for a red apple, and you're going to get back a bunch of pictures of red apples. If you search for a green apple, you're going to get pictures of green apples. And believe it or not, if you search for a blue apple, yes, it's going to return pictures of blue apples. So Google does recognize images. It knows what it is. It sees these green carpets. Not only is it going to index it as having green carpets, but it's also going to index it for green carpet cleaning because we're putting that text overlay on the image. So if you're going about doing your own geotagging, that there is just a little tip of what you can do to kind of doctor up your images a little bit to give them more relevancy towards what you are trying to market.